guys, it's Donna Coker with Donna Coker's A Cherry Bloom Handmade Soaps, and today we're going to be cutting my mother-in-law's soap, Mrs. Frances Cooper, aka Mom, aka Granny, aka Fran. She wouldn't let me record her making the soap, but she has agreed to be on the recording to cut the soap. So without further ado, here's Mom.
Ta-da! All right, I can do this.
Yeah. And then just give them a look at it.
There we go.
And this is her Fireball soap. So. And yes, she did have a little sippy poo after she made her soap. So.
All right. Damn, that smells good. Anybody likes Fireball, you need to get some of this. Whoops. Ooh. This makes me want to start drinking. Where's my Fireball?
It's in the bar refrigerator.
I better wait like finish cutting first. I'm not an alcoholic, but I do like a sippy poo now and then.
Nice colors. Your swirl looks really good.
Better than I thought it was going to look. Okay. I need to put some more on here or something. It's breaking. All right.
It does smell really
Well,
good.
this definitely does smell good. This definitely goes faster than making it. One thing I don't like is you have to wait till the next day to cut it.
Yeah, it's always a surprise, a great reveal.
Yeah. All right. Now this one's got a lot more of the reddish in it. Whoop. Take it out first. Ooh, that smells so good. Makes you want to drink. You'd think I was a heavy drinker, but I'm really not. Yeah, each layer of that looks so different.
That's what's so fun about
From that
something.
side to that side. I love the different colors.
She picked her colors by looking at the label on the bottle.
They didn't exactly match, but
They look pretty close.
pretty close. Considering how much trouble we have with the black. But it didn't overwhelm it as much as I thought it was going to. Oh. All right.
Last cut.
Yeah. Boy, this side is really different. And this is the end piece. So different. They all smell good. All right, guys.
There you have it. If you like this video, be sure to hit the thumbs up, give us a subscribe, and maybe watch some of the other videos. Thanks. Bye.
Bye.